Hi, welcome to Life Made Easy. So I'm showing you an absolute classic here today, which is a real waste of money, a real waste of your electricity, a real waste of your water. I've got this shower on really on a low flow because it really shows you what happens a lot. So what's happening here is I'm just going to zoom in on the shower head itself. And there's really very little water coming out of that shower head. So where is all that water going in? All that water is actually going here. So it's sort of, and where's that coming from? It's basically leaking out of here. So this is quite common. This hose, rather than the water going up the hose into the shower head, it's leaking out near the base. So I'm going to show you a Life Made Easy quick fix on this. Okay, to fix this problem you're just going to need two things. A towel, and I have a series of O-rings, and I'm going to choose a couple to basically fix this issue. So the issue, you can see it's still leaking. Really nothing coming out of the shower head. And basically it's leaking here. Okay, so let's fix that problem. Okay, so I've turned the water off to the house. There's a stopcock underneath my sink, so I've done that. So whenever I'm sort of attempting any of these kind of plumbing related jobs, it's best to turn the water off, but I have turned the water off. Not strictly speaking needed to be done for this particular fix or job, but I have. So I'm going to very quickly now show you how to fix that leak and stop wasting water and electricity and obviously money. So how do we do that then? Okay, so there's no tools required for this. I'm unscrewing that. I'm unscrewing the hose here. This is the source of the problem. This is meant to clamp up tightly against that and stop it leaking out. And it's this that screws up and pulls this onto there, like that. But obviously there's some sort of leak going on here. So I'm going to do a couple of things. I'm going to take one of my Life Made Easy O-rings, and I'm going to be placing it here. And I'm actually going to place another O-ring up here. The reason I do this is, as I screw this up, it'll squeeze against that O-ring and it'll actually make it quite tight so it won't unscrew itself again. So I've used two O-rings, one on here, one on here. I push that up like that, I push that up like that. Alright, and I said that also the other tool I needed was a towel. Because I basically want to do it sort of hand tight. If it's wet, it's hard to do. So I'm twisting. Alright, let's turn that on. Actually, I have to go and turn the water on downstairs, so I'll do that. Okay, I've turned the water on, so now I need to see if this fix has worked. So I'm turning on slowly because I want to see if it's leaking. It doesn't seem to be leaking. Now that water is actually coming out the shower head. So it really took about 15 seconds to fix. So I'll just turn. Turning the pressure up. Absolutely fine. Okay. Job done.